हे गाइस व्हाट्सअप, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारी एक और नई वीडियो में। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं बिटवाइस ऑपरेटर, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक है। एंड इट इज़ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड वी कन्वर्ट बाइनरी नंबर टू डिजिटल फॉर्म in this operator. We convert binary to digital. So we first of all we do AND, bitwise AND. First of all, we create a folder and create a file in that folder bitwise AND operator. First of all, we add a library and library stdio, standard input output. It has all C library 70% part int main function calling. First of all, we declare integer value a and b. We You can easily convert easily input a value. It is initialization. It is very simple. You can do it. And I declare function what we want to do. First of all, we want to use AND bitwise, so we print easily. It is very short program, so we can easily perform. Last At the last, we return 0, and that's it. We run this program. We easily see what is output. So you can easily do this. And we are bitwise, and we can do more bitwise operator one by one. First and bitwise is our complete. Then again create a file in bitwise folder, bitwise or 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 is logic gate. You know already, if you learn physics and logic circuit and logic gate, you know all gate truth table. And at the last, I told you what is how can we change number bitwise at the last. So you can understand what are doing in this program, so you can easily understand what we do in this program. So you can see that you can see that you can see that mm, mm, initialize value initialize value a and b. A value is 3. 3 we convert in binary, so result is 2. If number is 2, binary number is 0010, and 3 if binary number 0011, 0011, 1. If you know or gate truth table, you can easily understand. AND gate, if both input is 1, then output 1, only that condition. If input 1 0 0 1, then if and 0 0, if input, always output is 0. Only one condition, if input 1 and 1, I mean true and true, pass input, in that condition output always 1. Or get and sorry and gate, or gate truth table. First of all, add library studio dot h h and main and initialize value a and b, or git got gate truth table, condition only true, if anyone is 1. If one input is 1, always output 1. 0 0 0 1 1 1, always output 1. Only one condition, if input 0 0, then output always gives you 0. This is the logic gate circuit. You can easily understand. At the last, I will tell you what is the method, and you can understand that. And output is 7. Same that condition apply or gate, as well as and, as well as x or bitwise, but number is change, and or 2 and 3 binary, by binary 2 and 2 or 3. You can easily see what the answer. And next we will do x or bitwise, yeah, bitwise x or it is very digital electronic topic like that. But what we can do, what we can do again, write library and calling function and initialize value int main, initialize value xor truth table exclusive or. In that condition, if both input both input are similar, then output is 0. If anyone input b- but anyone input, yeah, both input are different, in that condition output always 1, gives you 1, gives you 1. Okay, you can understand easily. I initialize and what is the operation I write, and what we want to print, and at the last return 0. You can understand. And answer you can see easily, x or logic gate like that. if if we change number, there you can easily see what is the output. You can easily understand like that. You can practice, and you can enjoy like that. But it is convert to binary, but we can understand easily digital form. uh, and at the last, I tell you what we are do. Initialize value change, output always change. Some output are above range, about the range. You can see I enjoy that what I am doing. I'm just kidding that program. Yeah. Now what I do, let's go to the another program bitwise one's complement. Yeah, bitwise one's complement, we can easily understand one's complement. If a binary number no number convert different other, if input is 1, convert automatically 0. If input is 0, convert automatically 1. Like that we can understand easily. And we write library and calling that function first of all initialize value you, and once complement symbol like that you can see b is equals to once complement symbol is like wave that it is wrong, actually equal to once a b once a ठीक है, and print the value at the last, mm, return 0 because we take integer value, that's why return 0. And we can easily see, but output is in minus, in minus. That's not our problem, it is function that is in that program. We give positive value, always come a negative value. Don't worry, in that program always output is negative. Don't worry, that program you can easily understand in digital electronic, or you can search once complement in Google. You can easily understand. If you want to notes, you can tell me on comment. I will give you notes, provide you notes. You can follow me on Insta. I will tell you notes, all C program. Oh, my PC is down. Yeah, sorry guys, just 1 minute, just 1 minute. What? Just 1 minute, guys, we will come back again. Now we are doing double right and double left shift bitwise operator. It is very easy, we can understand. First of all, we include a library. You can see easily what we are doing in that program. What we are doing, we are just add a library or to our function and initialize value, and operation like that, we write this operation, and at the last we always add a semicolon. Then print f is predefined function. It is belongs to studio.h, and float percentage f is belongs to percentage d, percentage f, percentage c is belongs to studio.h, library, and Witten also belongs to Studio.h. Standard input output. We run this program. You can see answer. How is come answer? How? I will tell you in the next program. But you can see what we what I doing, what I am doing now at the last program. Right shift bitwise, right shift, yeah, right dot c and include studio.h. It is compulsory to add this. mm, Compulsory. As we do left, we also doing this right shift. Print type operation, we, we write already percentage t comma semicolon and return geo, and operation is successful. You can see I change the value, output is change. You can see easily. Now I will tell you what is the output. Output. Mm, mm, mm. Output. Output. How we can do this? You can watch and I will tell you. Binary 4-bit binary number is 4 times 0 is equals to 0, 1 0 is equals to 1. It is start always 0. You always remember that we convert binary to decimal, but we convert binary to binary in digital form. The form is digital, and inside binary we convert binary to binary, but output always come in digital form. You can see like that. Okay, I will write 0 to 15. In that condition you can easily understand what I am doing, and copy and paste like that. If you want to know more, I will provide you notes. You can see easily what I am doing, and what I am doing. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can easily, yeah, now 15. Now add more some information. The what is in that program? What is in that program? Like that number is continue. You one time output is more than 100. It is binary number. Continue as infinity. Convert binary number. Binary number is low level language, under low level language. 4-bit binary. These number are 4-bit binary. Convert in digital. ठीक है, ठीक है. हम्म, convert slash and star. That is the comment. That is the comment. I can comment like that. You can understand like that. I comment two type of comment, double slash and slash star. What is in program, you can see what I initialize value and what the output is 12. Okay, okay, 30011 you can see easily what is inside this program and how to work 4-bit binary bitwise. In that program these numbers are very important to understand.